I used to grab breakfast burritos all the time at restaurants, but I finally stopped once I started making ones like this at home. This one is bigger, packs 47 grams of protein, and costs less per serving than most store-bought burritos. And the best part is, it still tastes amazing. Start with a bowl to whisk your eggs in. Crack 3 large eggs into the bowl. Add about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk everything together, then we'll start cooking everything now. Take out a skillet and heat it over medium heat with a light spray of oil. Dice up 1 small russet potato and add it to your pan. Season it with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes while stirring occasionally. Next, we'll add about 1/4 a cup of diced onions to the skillet and cook those for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Once the onions have softened and turned slightly translucent, dice up and add 1 cooked chicken sausage. Since it's already cooked, we're mainly just heating it up here. You can also use bacon if you prefer, but be sure to cook that. Reduce the heat to medium-low and pour your egg mixture into the skillet. Cook until the eggs are just set and still slightly soft. It should take about a minute or so. Sprinkle your shredded cheese over the hot mixture and fold everything together until the cheese is fully incorporated. Once your cheese has melted, we can begin forming our burrito. Take out 2 large burrito-sized tortillas and warm them up. This will make it easier to fold everything together. Lay 1 tortilla on a flat surface and overlap the second one by about half to 1/3 in the center. Spoon your filling across the overlap areas just below the top of the tortilla. Be sure to leave space on the sides and ends for folding. You can drizzle some hot sauce if you'd like. Fold the tortilla sides toward the center and fold up the bottom edge and roll it slightly away from you. You should be able to fit everything together. Return back to your stove and place your burrito seam side down in a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Use tongs to rotate the burrito so each side gets cooked. Once it's done cooking, remove from the skillet and let it sit for about a minute or 2 before slicing in half. Then you're ready to enjoy this high-protein breakfast burrito that tastes great and will help keep you full. If you want to see other healthy variations, be sure to drop a comment and let me know. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high-protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.